Babe, this is what I told
You gotta trust man.
I really like it. I like this particular pattern.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
When you're done with this and the Rex, you see that it's definitely fine.
Yeah, I'm sure
Babe.
to pop out.
Come and see me. I won't stand it.
Oh, okay.
Right back,
Let me
boy.
go.
Man, hand
Yeah,
down.
yeah, thank you.
Ojo Agbo, guys, we see what your mouth cannot talk. You see.
Sharp, sharp.
Problem in all the finish.
God have mercy upon us.
Babe, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Will you shut your dirty mouth up? Ella, I was even supporting this stupid boy, this stupid man. Thank you very much for telling me.
Tell me what?
Yes, I told her everything.
Yeah, babe. I don't think I'll be coming here again.
Why now?
Your boyfriend, each time I come here, you'll be touching me.
It's a lie. Which my
Only-
boyfriend?
Okay, even now, if he did it, he'll be touching me, harassing. See, I don't want problem between the both of you. I don't want any issues between the both of you. But I'm just telling you that I will not come here again.
Aiko is not that kind of person. I'm not sure. Are you sure?
Oh, you're vouching for him, Abby? Don't worry, I will show you today.
How could you?
How couldn't she? She told me everything. You're not even feeling any remorse. What kind of man is this?
You said I saw you, babe. Now say you don't align with me now.
Okay. I should have known this is the type of dog that you are.
Babe,
You already promised me you're not going to do all this kind of shenanigans, though. You know,
yeah, babe. See,
my own friend.
See, for the last time, I'm sorry. It's not happening. Please, baby, I'm sorry.
That's such a joke.
This one cannot change you.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You look like the joke that is on your head. Both of you are jokes. This relationship, me, like I say like this. For this relationship, I'm done.
Sorry, oh. Oh, I'm not too much.
Hi. Bad market.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.